built. It's a server, and one of my customers has it, and I actually like it. It's an MSI box. It's called a monster box. It's pretty cool, and I'm actually thinking about hunting this box down and buying one for myself for my gaming PC. And there's another computer over here. It's an HP. It's an office computer, and the customer has two sites. His main site runs the server, and then this one runs the other computer that they use in the other side. So it's an automotive place. And the kind of one I hate is right now. This is kind of what I'm gonna make a video about. Some people, it's good to have an IT guy, either in-house or someone you can call that you're under contract with. It's not about money. It's about keeping your business afloat, because technology is tied to your business. If this goes down, you really can't do any work, or you reduce productivity. So it's good to have an IT guy come in at least once a month to make sure that all your systems are up running and any potential problems can be avoided. So different IT people have different ways of doing this. We have a contract, so I'll go in every 2 weeks and I'll work on them. Check if they do come with me and they have a kind of business, we try to get them in a contract where we go in every 2 weeks and we make sure that all the systems are up and everything is running. If there's a problem, we can actually head it off at the pass before it gets to that problem. So I kind of feel like I should just do a quick video on this, because this is probably an important thing, because right now the two computers that they have doing the business is sitting in my office that I got to work on. It's probably going to take me a couple of days to get them back to where they were, because we didn't have a contract with them, and they have another guy come in, and I don't know what the guy did. So I gotta go and look and see how bad things are. I might have to replace some parts, put some new parts in there, because I heard some of the hard drives are going. If I was going there on a regular basis, I would have known that that was happening. So these are some of the things that it's good to have someone in-house or a contracted IT guy that comes in all the time and works and make sure that your stuff is maintained. It's important. Okay, that's it. Like I always say, stay productive.